All of you must have seen these icons on your garments. These are actually laundry icons which instruct you how to take care or launder that particular article or garment. As all people around the world do laundry, so common standards are followed around the world. These are in the form of laundry icons. There are main 5 laundry icons. This icon of washtub represents washing, how to wash that garment. Triangle icon is for bleaching, square is for drying, and iron icon is for ironing. Circle represents dry cleaning for those garments which are not suited for washing. Well, these are the common 5 icons that you would see on any garment with some variation. Now let's understand each icon with its variation. Let's understand the first icon of washtub, which represents washing. This icon shows that these can be washed in washing machine in normal cycle. Now if you find this one line below this washtub, it means wash with permanent press. It is a feature in washing machine in which it generally wash in warm water and rinse in cold water. It uses combination of both warm and cold water. Normally this cycle is around 30 minutes, and as the name suggests, press. It helps in reducing chances of wrinkles on garments. Now if you find 2 lines below washtub, it represents gentle cycle, washing at lower RPM or gently. This cycle is for more delicate fabric like silk, wool, cashmere, etc. In simple terms, you can understand like this: more lines below the washtub, the more careful you should be while washing. Now in this washtub icon you might find dots. 1 dot means wash in cold water, 2 dots for washing in warm water, and 3 dots mean washing in hot water. Instead of dot, you may find water temperature to be washed in, like 30, 40 or 50 degrees Celsius or even more. So you may find this washtub with dots or numbers. Now if you see a cross across this washtub, it means simple, that do not wash this garment. And if you see a hand reaching in the washtub, mean hand wash only. Do not put these garments in washing machine. Also if you see this candy-like icon with X, it means don't wring or twist that garment. Gently squeeze the water out after hand wash. Now the next icon is of triangle, which represents bleaching. If you simply see an blank triangle, it means you can use any type of bleach. If you see these kind of 2 parallel lines, it means you can use non-chlorine bleach only. And if there is a cross over this triangle, then you know don't use any kind of bleach. Now after washing, you need to dry your garments, which is represented by square. Now if you notice a circle inside this, then it means it's okay to dry these garments in dryer. And if it has circle inside this square and crossed, then it's simple, do not put them in dryer. And now similar to washtub, you may also find lines beneath the square. 1 line means permanent press cycle and 2 lines are for gentle cycle. Similar to washtub icon, number of dots also shows the maximum temperature to be used while drying. 1 for low heat dry, 2 dots for warm or medium, and 3 dots for high heat dry. Now if garments are not suitable for dryer, then you would find a blank square with some lines without a circle in it. Means these garments should be air dried. 1 flat line in the center means lay it flat to dry. Now on the top, if you find these 2 diagonal lines, it means dry it in shade only, not in the direct sunlight. 3 vertical lines means hang it to drip dry. Drip dry is used for a fabric which becomes dry without forming creases, then hang up after washing. If there are chances of getting it creased if hanged carelessly, then you can dry like we usually do on the clothesline or rope. For that, there is a separate icon. It looks like an arc inside the top of this square. But make sure to maintain the shape of the cloth with the help of clip or clothespins. Now you got the idea. Others are just the variation of these icons that you can easily guess. Now I am drawing one variation. Pause, check and write the answer in the comment section below. Ironing. Icon itself look like an iron, which means ironing. Once again, dots represent the temperature. 1 dot for cool or low, 2 for warm or medium, and 3 for hot ironing. And if you see a cross or X over this iron, it means stay away from ironing this cloth or garment. And if you see these dotted lines coming from the iron, means it's safe to steam the garment. And an X over this shows avoid steaming. Now let's come to our last icon, that is circle. It shows that this garment is suitable for dry cleaning, and sometimes with circle it is specified that dry clean only. And an cross or X over this icon means do not dry clean. There are some other variation also in dry cleaning symbol, but I will suggest if label specifies dry clean only, then take it to a dry cleaner and leave the meaning of those icons for the professionals dry cleaners.